Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be making a cranberry orange glazed Cornish hen that's going to be a perfect addition to that Thanksgiving table this year. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. I'll start out by slicing my sweet onion that I'll use to line the bottom of my baking dish. I've washed and cleaned my Cornish hen. I'll now dry them and prepare them for seasoning. I'll season both hens generously with salt and thyme and rosemary, making sure that I get within the cavity as well. I'll let the hens marinate in the refrigerator for 45 minutes while I make the cranberry glaze. Now that all the ingredients are combined, I'll stir well and have it simmer on low for about 10 minutes or until my cranberries begin to pop. I'll add a generous amount of the glaze to the Cornish hens. I'll then place the hens in a preheated 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll remove the hens from the oven, add the remainder of the glaze, cover with foil, return to the oven, and bake for 25 minutes. The Cornish hens are all done and they smell amazing. I promise you, add these to the Thanksgiving table this year and you won't be disappointed. The full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Also, don't leave without checking out my previous video. It's going to be linked on the left side of the screen. And as always, thanks for the continued support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!